The iterator pattern lets us access a collection's elements one by one in sequence without needing to know how that collection stores its data. Let's explore it together. Look at this bookshelf. It stores books in a fixed-size array with a counter. To read them, the client writes a manual index loop, calling getBookAt for each position. The problem? This loop knows the shelf is an array. The storage choice leaks into every reader of the collection. Let's try decoupling with getBooks, returning a raw array the client loops over directly. But when a magazine uses a linked list, every loop breaks. Index-based traversal can't handle a chain structure. The internals leak, and structure-specific loops get duplicated everywhere. Let's separate two roles. The iterator interface provides hasNext and next for walking through elements. The aggregate interface provides createIterator, which hands you that traversal object. Collection stays clean, traversal stays separate. Bookshelf returns a bookshelf iterator that keeps its own cursor. The client just calls hasNext, then next, processing each book one at a time, never touching the underlying array. Watch the cursor advance, highlighting the current element. Look at this diagram. Iterator and aggregate are the two key roles. Bookshelf iterator implements iterator. Bookshelf implements aggregate. Iterator provides hasNext and next, while aggregate provides createIterator. Bookshelf produces an iterator, and that iterator walks the bookshelf without ever exposing how its books are stored. Watch the same task. Print every title. The first version ties an index loop straight to bookshelf's array, then must be rewritten for a linked list. Every storage change forces the client to change. The second version needs just one loop using an iterator. Identical client code drives both, because each collection hands back its own iterator. The iterator hands out a small object, so collections are traversed uniformly while their storage stays hidden. One style, encapsulated internals, many simultaneous walks, single responsibility. Remember, aggregate, iterator, concrete iterator.